Epic chia grød making. First you take 4 spiseske overflødig chia grød. Wow, super duper epic. Okay, then you put some melted milk in the cup, yeah, in the cup, super duper. Then you held it in. I held it in. Then you take some more melted milk and put it in the cup. Then you take some milk in here. Then you take a half spoon of baking powder. Oh shit, not baking powder. Vanilla soda is half teaspoon. A half teaspoon of vanilla pulver, yes. Then you put it in. You roll up. Yeah. Then you mix it. Now I have mixed it. Time to put them in the fridge. Gah. That was my epic tutorial of how to make chia grød. Follow for part 2 when I actually make it into chia grød.